make sure to type everything out for you. So question 4, I can sum up what they're saying. In the paragraph here. You're supposed to choose a bank that's cheapest for you. But banks charge you different amounts depending on how much money you have in your account, right? Because a bank likes us to have lots of money parked in their bank accounts because that gives them more flexibility to loan money out to other people. So if we have 6 months where we have just $900 in our account, that means the bank's going to charge us more because we're not giving them as much as they'd like. And then the other 6 months, we have $2,400 in our account. So for those 6 months, the bank will charge us less because we're letting them play with our money a little bit more. So we are supposed to calculate the cost of doing business for a year. But right now, this table is giving us monthly amounts. So we need to keep that in mind when we calculate the prices. The costs, I should say. So Bank One charges $16 a month. But remember, I'm supposed to be doing it for a year. So I'm going to take that $16 a month, multiply it by 12 months in a year. Oh, sorry. That's times 6 because I just saw this line right here. Sorry, I missed this. We get charged $16 a month when there is 1,000 minimum daily balance. We've got that minimum for 6 months. We're above the $1,000 minimum. But then we get charged $25. We get charged $25 for the other 6 months. I think that's it. I think that's all the charges for this one. Bank One, we have to pay. So I guess I can make that bigger so it's easier on your eyes. Bank One charges us $16 a month when we have the $2,400, so that's 6 months out of the year. Bank Two charges us $25 a month when we have a larger balance, when we have a balance over $1,000. So we've achieved that for 6 months out of the year. Right, that's where I'm getting that information. And that's everything. Now we can calculate how much this bank's going to cost. So 16 times 6 gives us $96 for the last 6 months, I should say. And we got 25 times 6, that's $150 for the other 6 months. Bank One costs us $246 a year. Okay, so we're going to compare that $246, see if we can get something less for the year. Bank Two charges $4.50 per month. Look, there's no minimum, there's no maximum, okay? It's just a straight $4.50 a month times 12, because there's 12 months in the year. And they don't care whether we have $900 or $2,400 in the account. Plus, we get charged 30 cents per check over 10 checks monthly. So up here in the word problem, we write 30 checks per month. So that means we're going to get charged 30 cents for 20 checks, because this bank said they're going to only charge us when we write over 10 checks. Right, the first 10 checks are free. So if we write 30 checks, we're paying for 20. But that's per month. We write 30 checks per month, so we need to multiply this by 12 to calculate how much the checks cost us per year. And then we get charged $1 per debit transaction. So we need to add this $1 for the 3 debit transactions we make per month. And then again, that tells us the cost a month for all of our debit transactions. We need this in terms of years. So we're going to multiply that by 12. Okay, just a quick recap of what we did. It's $4.50 for 12 months, plus 30 cents for each of the 20 checks that we get charged for the month, times 12 for the year to make it yearly. It's $1 per debit transaction. There's 3 of those per month, and we multiply by 12 to convert it to years. How much it costs for the year. And if you're still unsure about this one, the next one is actually going to be the same type of calculation. It's really, really similar. So we got all the subtotals here, $54 plus $72. And then we got 1 times 3 times 12. That's going to be $36. Just did the multiplication in the line above. So we got $162. Okay, so this one's looking better. It's cheaper than the other one. This one's $162 a year. This one's $246 a year. Okay. So Bank 3 charges us $7 per month. So we do 7 times 12 because our final calculation needs to be in terms of years. Plus 25 cents per check. There's no upper limit there. So that means we get charged 25 cents for each of the 30 checks we write in a month times the 12 months in a year to convert that from months to years. And then we also get charged. We get charged $2 per debit transaction. We make 3 of those a month. We multiply by 12 to convert to years. So that makes $84 plus we got 25 times 30 times 12. We got $90. And 2 times 3. 2 times 3 times 12. That makes $72. These are all like the little subtotals. This is how much it costs, but there's just their monthly fee, cost for the checks for the year. This is the cost for the debit transactions for the year. If you add those together, $246 a month. So Bank 2 is still cheaper right now. And Bank 4 is calculated the exact same way as Bank 3, just with different numbers. So with Bank 4, we get charged $8 per month plus 15 cents for each of those 30 checks that we write a month. So that converts it to years when we multiply by 12. And we got $1.50 for each of those 3 debit transactions, 12 months. So same thing as before, I'm just doing the multiplication. $54 here. So this one's $204, a little bit cheaper than Bank 1 and Bank 3, but Bank 2 is my winner, okay?